Hey, welcome back. It's Dwayne Desveaux, your Ottawa Real Estate Agent, and today we're going to be, by popular demand, exploring Barrhaven. Barrhaven is one of those super popular, family-friendly suburbs of the city of Ottawa, and within this suburb, we're going to explore a community called Queens Point. It's a brand new community on the outskirts of Barrhaven, which, interestingly enough, still provides ease of access to parks, walking trails, cycling trails, and as much outdoor greenery as you can handle at this point. But what's also interesting about that is that we are super close to the 416 for ease of access to the 417, 25 minutes to downtown Ottawa, and just minutes away from where we're located also is Barrhaven Centre, which provides tons of dining, entertainment, and shopping needs for all your needs. So, with that being said, for those of you who are new to my channel, as I said, my name is Dwayne Desveaux. I am an Ottawa real estate agent out here traveling around putting out content in order to help you make your real estate dreams come through. What does that mean? Well, maybe you are on the fence about purchasing a house. Maybe you're shy about coming to look at these houses. So I'm going to drive around. I'm going to go through these houses, and I'm going to provide you with an opportunity to look at these homes, to explore these homes in the different communities. Also, the different communities. Maybe you're not aware of some of these locations throughout the city of Ottawa. So I'm going to provide you with that as well. For those of you who are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos I'm putting out. And of course, all you returning people, thanks so much. I appreciate the support, the love, and questions you keep providing. Glad to help. Now, let's get in and let's take a look at this house. This is an absolutely beautiful Minto model home. It is the Brighton 2,300 plus square feet. We're going to go in and take a look. Now, it's my understanding that the basement on this particular one is a blank slate, so you can imagine what you want to do with it. We'll go in, we'll take a look to let you see what we got. So let's get out of the car and let's go in and let's take a look at this house. It's a stunning house. Look at this. Show you in the back. There you go. Wow. There it is. So let's go in and take a look at this model home. Let's go.
All right, folks, welcome to this view of the Brighton Elevation B. Just take a look at this front. Clean lines, big windows, and that lovely mix of brick and siding that gives it a bit of character. It's got that perfect blend of modern, but still feels welcoming. You'll notice that the covered entry here, too, it's super practical for Ottawa's weather, whether it's rain or shine. And check out the wide entry step and spacious driveway. This layout gives you a sense of arrival. In room for everything from weekend get-togethers and kids running around. Let's head inside and see what else makes the Brighton such a standout. Enjoy.
So that's the Brighton Model Home here in Queens Point, Barrhaven, Ottawa. It's easy to see why this design brings in so many buyers. With its modern open concept flow, it really brings people together, whether it's for families or entertaining. One thing I liked about this model home was the balance between practicality and style. I mean, you've got these large picture windows bringing in tons of light, making the rooms look even more spacious. And speaking of space, how about those 4 bedrooms and the layouts of them? Perfect for children, guests, and even a home office, because we all need a home office. Another highlight that I loved about this house, obviously, you guessed it, is the kitchen. It had plenty of cupboard space, plenty of counter space, perfect for daily life, and of course, for hosts. Hey, and if this home caught your eye, check out the link below for the Brighton model, or even better, reach out to me directly if you're interested in moving to Barrhaven or any of the surrounding suburbs and communities in Ottawa. As always, my job is to help guide you through the home buying process and to simplify it and make it seamless. If you enjoyed this video, as always, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future home tours or real estate tips and silly videos that I sometimes put out that are real estate related. Here's my phone number. There we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.